Hey guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So, before we get this video started, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you all are brand new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because y'all won't regret it. Okay, so since it kind of is like festival season, like I know there's like Rolling Loud, there's EDC like next week, in a few weeks is Neon Desert. So I figured like what is most appropriate than to do a festival look. And I really had fun with this look, guys, and this look is universal, so you can wear it with whatever you want. You can change the colors up however you want. It's very easy to achieve. Like if you're a beginner, you can achieve this look easily. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. So if you all want to see how I achieved this look, then keep watching. So please excuse all my baby hairs. No matter how many times I redid my buns, no matter how much freaking hairspray I put, they would not go down. So obviously I'm not a hairstylist, so don't judge me. Okay, so using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color light medium, I went ahead and set my eyes. I went ahead and fixed my brows and set my eyes. And for today's look, I'm going to be using the JUVIA'S Mini Masquerade palette. Masquerade Mini, same thing. This is what it looks like. I don't know why it's called Mini because there's actually a lot of shades. And then I do just want to say I am using pink and purple, which are very bright colors, but this look is universal and you could literally do it with any color that you want. The first shade I'm going to be going in with is called Zobo, and I'm going to be taking it on a BEBELLA NG330. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking very little onto the brush, and I'm just going to be packing it in to the outer corner of my eye. And then once it's packed onto my corner, I'm just going to be blending it. And then I'm just going to be doing the same to my inner corner. Okay, now to open the space up in the middle a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and take the brush that I used to apply the base to my eyes. And I'm just going to use whatever product is already on there. I'm not going to add any more. I'm just going to be patting it down the middle. And then I'm going to just be going back and blending it again. Okay, but when you go back to blend it again, don't go into the middle as much. Kind of just blend the edges of the concealer into the purple. Next, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, this pink one, which is called Bori. And I'm just going to be taking very little onto this Glamour Dolls Rose Gold brush. Okay, so I'm going to be taking a little bit of the pink onto the brush and just blending out the purple. Okay, so after blending the pink onto the outer corner, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the inner corner. And once the pink is on, I'm going to go ahead and go back with the purple shade just to deepen it up a little bit more. Except this time with the purple, I'm going to be going in with the BEBELLA NG334. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit on the brush and adding it to where we previously packed on the purple. Okay guys, so before we add the glitter, this is what you all should have. And then don't worry about too much about the spaces in the middle, like if they're not even, because we're going to be putting glitter over it anyway, so it doesn't really matter that much. Okay guys, so now we are going to be applying the glitter. For the first glitter, I'm going to be using the JCAT Rockin' the Night Sparkling Powder in the shade Cool Silver. And then the second glitter I'm going to be using, this is just a regular like chunky glitter that I bought on Amazon for like $3. It is for your eyes though. It's not just like a regular glitter, this is for your eyes. And then to get my glitter to stick, I'm going to be using the JCAT All About That Base Glitter Primer. And then to apply the glitter, I'm just going to be using this regular flat brush. This is just a Jerome Alexander brush. I don't know what number it is. And then I am squeezing the base onto my hand instead of directly onto the brush just to get it applied a bit more evenly. And I'm just going to be patting it on to the empty space. And then just taking some glitter on the brush, I'm just going to pack it on. Okay guys, so now that the finer glitter is on, I'm just going to be applying a few big pieces of the chunky glitter onto my eyes. Okay guys, and I am applying the chunky glitter a bit more strategically. So I am placing the chunky glitter a bit more strategically. I'm taking a little bit of the primer and applying it to a specific spot on my eye. Then I am going into the pot and choosing the glitter and placing it onto where I put that primer. And then using the end of the brush, I'm just pushing it onto my eye to make sure that it sticks. Just because I don't want the chunky glitter to like take over the fine glitter. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like once the glitter is on. And of course, if you all wanted to add more glitter, you all could go crazy with the glitter. Y'all know I do. I just wanted to keep it a little bit simple on this look, just so that it's not too much. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be applying my lashes. And for lashes, I am using the IM lashes in the style Honeybee. And this is a local brand where I live. So if y'all live in El Paso, definitely check these lashes out. They're awesome. These are my favorite lashes. I've been wearing them every single day. This is like my third pair because I'm obsessed with them. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the lashes. These lashes are super fluffy and pretty. These are definitely my favorite pair of lashes that I own at the moment. And then if you all do want to see how I applied my fake lashes, I'll go ahead and leave my lash application tutorial in the description. And then that also shows you all how I achieve my brows every single day. And now, just for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera. But if you all want to see the exact routine I use to do my face makeup every single time I do it, I'll go ahead and leave a link to that tutorial in the description as well. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that I've applied my foundation, setting powder, concealer, bronzer, blush, I'm gonna go ahead and be doing my bottom eyeshadow. So basically, I'm just gonna be doing the exact same thing that I did on top, except now I am going to be doing it with the BEBELLA NG334, which is just a smaller brush, just for more precision. Oh, this hair is killing me. I'm going to be taking the purple shade and just blending it into the inner corner of my eye. Oops, I meant outer corner. And now the inner corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and be going in on the same brush with the pink shade. And then I'm just going to be applying it under the purple. Now I'm just going to be putting a little bit more primer onto my hand. And then going back in with the fine glitter, I'm going to be applying very little under my eye. And then I'm just going to be adding a couple pieces of chunky glitter as well. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be applying my bottom mascara, and just to have the glitter pop, I am going to avoid like the bottom area where the glitter is, just so, like the mascara doesn't like go over it. So as you all can see, I did kind of avoid the middle of my eyes with the bottom mascara. Like there might be a few of the eyelashes that have it, but for the majority I did kind of avoid it. Now to finish off the rest of my face, for highlight I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this one is in the shade Purple Dream. Y'all, I literally have the hardest time, like look, I can never open this box, literally. Okay guys, so this highlight is super cool because it looks like yellow and like kind of gold color, but when you put it on your face, it's freaking purple, hence the name Purple Dream. So like always, for highlight, I'm going to be using the BEBELLA MG321. And honestly guys, if you're gonna go to a music festival, y'all better go highlight crazy. Whoa. And then using that small blending brush that I used to apply the bottom eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking some and applying it to my brow bone. And then I'm going to be applying it to my inner corner as well. Okay, now before I apply my lipstick, I'm going to be setting my face, and I'm using the FARSALI Rose Gold Skin Mist just because this leaves you looking like super dewy, and I just feel like really glowy right now. This stuff literally feels so good. I am so obsessed with it. See guys, like it just makes your skin like glow. Or maybe it's like the 5 pounds of highlight I'm wearing. I don't know. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lip, and this is in the shade KATHRYN. And then once it dries, I'm going to be applying this Tarte lip gloss. It's just like super glittery, and this is in the shade INSTA-FAMOUS. I maybe should have used like a more pink lipstick, but this is cute. She's cute. So this is the completed look, guys. And like I said, it's very universal, so if you all wanted to do this with brown, or if your outfit's blue, or whatever color, like this look would look good. You know what I mean? So this tutorial is very good for any festival look that you all want to accomplish. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial. Comment down below what you all thought of this video. Tag me in any recreations if you all do this look, because I love seeing your guys' pictures. Don't forget to turn my post notifications on so that y'all are notified the next time I post a video. Like and subscribe. This is like a list. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.